Greatest rising loves, hope you're having a great day. If you are not having a great day, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Because you can close your eyes right now and have a great day. You can write it down and create it and have a great day. You can wake up right now, stand up, sit up, just go out and meditate, visualize, and have a great day. You can work out and command what you want and have a great day. So you have no choice but to have a great day. But I hope you are having a great day. Because today is a day that is very special. 888. I've been sharing a lot of videos about it. And this alignment is bringing a lot of energy. So when comes a lot of energy, doesn't mean that everything is going to be sweet and very beautiful. It might mean that things might become a little overwhelming. But if you choose with your mind, which means that things will be the way that I command them to be, they will be like that. So today we are busy with the spells. By being busy with the spells, we have 50% off. Today, you can join even now for tonight. You can join tomorrow because 50% is also available tomorrow. So the live proposal lasts from now till the 12th. So the proposal energy will be very intense from now till the 12th. Even the weather might be a little weird during this thing. So even if the weather gets hectic or or maybe situations around you, or maybe the network, or maybe anything, because some things might react to things that you are used to. Might try to shift up because things must change. And in order for things to change, there are a lot of chaos that might happen in between and distraction. So you must know, you must keep your mind positive at all times, because while distraction happens, there's a time for creation to also happen. So a lot of people are going through a lot of changes. They will go through a lot of changes. But it's up to you to say that change will be positive. That's why it's important to manifest every time there are a lot of alignments. Okay, let's say you cannot join this spell, but make sure you meditate, make sure that you pasta, you light your candles, you make your wishes, you do the Baileys, you light the candles, you set your space, you set your mind up for best things. You don't only do this today and then you continue with your negative life, because it's important when to invest. You can invest it's important to invest on daily basis, because whatever you put in, it will be what we will be getting out. So today, because we are investing each and every day, we should see a positive shift. You mustn't say, okay, I did a spell that day, and I always do because you invested. Sooner or later, you'll see all of the results, and you'll be like, boom, and you'll be mind blown of where you've gotten in your life because of the changes, life changes that you must never give up on you, because each and every day you must choose you. We are living one and the same day over and over again. If you want to make this dream, because we are living a dream, your dream life, you must make sure that you make your wishes come true. And you say, I am here, relax. I will do everything I can for you. And you must write down each and everything that your soul needs, that your heart wants, that your heart desires. Because we've been programmed, because I see it in a lot of people when I say, please write your wishes. Because I said it a lot, because it's important. Even if I can turn the world around and do everything for you, I can do anything for you in the whole entire universe. But if it is not exactly what your soul wants, you won't be happy. Maybe some people, they just want life, they want to be healthy, and then I assume that you want a lot of money, since everybody wants a lot of money. And I assume that you want love in your life, because maybe a lot of people are seeking for love. So you must know exactly what makes you happy. whether it's being like immortal, having supernatural powers, everything is possible in your life if you say it is. That's why they work by all means to make you say, many things are not good, there's a limitations, you can never achieve dreams if you're from this, that country, if you are from this place, and then your life become determined by your surroundings. That's why you say that when you get to certain areas, there are certain limitations, certain vibrations, and certain you can see abantu bahlala endaweni ethizeni bayafana bonke mawukuthi balahle ithemba ngempilo wonke umuntu chilled mawukuthi their life is fast, everybody is this because frequency iyathelelana. But you can be that one person othi yena I change my frequency because I visualize, I live my life in my dream, and I am not changing anything according to what I see, but I'm telling myself what I am feeling, because your mind is totally like in control of your life, but it doesn't see like conditions as they are. You are the one who's telling your life, this is what's happening, this is what's happening. And whatever we see with our naked eyes is not exactly what is really going on. That's why the world like 24 hours. If you don't set your algorithm will set you. Your algorithm will set you. I'm just looking at people who don't have like I'm a poster, mama, bookmark, hey, my thought. I don't care because I know my value in people's life. If you don't, you might lose me because and then your algorithm will be showing depressing things, and you lose hope enough, and then you lose hope enough, and then you're going back, and then you come back to me and say, things are not right. No, I don't want people to come to me when things are not going well. You must come to me to elevate your life. Because we're elevating each other. The moment you elevate your mind, I don't want you confirming negative things about you. I don't want you confirming negative situations about you. Because why? We are changing our lives. And one last card, suppose your attention to the things that you want to see. That is when you want to go to isn't just a changing image. Association you delusional. Noma ungabe delusional okuvuma ukuthi okay ukanje kanje kodwa mina ngithi ukanje.